Compound detached itself from the price of Bitcoin on April 12th and experienced a bullish movement while the rest of the market dropped. Its inclusion in the Robinhood platform has been a fundamental contributor to this movement. In this weekly timeframe chart, we can see how Compound is found in an evident bearish structure, creating a type of falling wedge pattern where lower lows and higher lows are seen. This chart shows how its price dropped by 89% since its highest point, touching $900, in other words, its all-time high. From January to March, we can see how a clear bullish divergence occurred, which is quite relevant in technical analysis. In addition, it coincided with the market's bullish movement, which was followed by Compound seeing a recovery of 70%. Going back to the initial chart, the price of Compound once again dropped in the week starting April 4th. However, while the market took a downward route last week from April 11th to 17th, Compound closed with a doji-like candlestick despite displaying indecision, which is a good sign compared to the rest of the market. With the deployed moving averages, we can see how the 20-period moving average acted as a strong resistance, managing to test it without maintaining it. In the daily timeframe, we can see with more clarity the price divergence initiated at the end of the month of January. On March 14th, as the market made its move to the upside, Compound's value too started to shoot up. It managed to touch the resistance zone between $155 and $175. However, the macroeconomic situation led to a considerable correction. Unlike Bitcoin, Compound recovered between April 12th and 13th with an important movement, testing the important resistance once again. With the deployed moving averages, we can see how the bullish movement led the price to touch the 20, 50 and 100-period moving averages, but its price experienced a considerable reversal, causing it to lose them once again, as shown by the daily engulfing candlestick on April 11th. Following this movement on April 12th and 13th, its price headed toward the upside once again, won the averages mentioned. If we were to see a continuation move towards the upside, we would have to see candlesticks closing above the 50-period moving average. If we see candlesticks closing below this average, we'd go on to test the bottom of the macro range in which the price has been trapped. In the Fear and Greed Index, we can see how the market remains in a state of extreme fear, as mentioned in our weekly analysis, due to the market's volatility at the moment. As seen on CoinMarketCap, Compound managed to position itself as one of the best bullish movements over the last 7 days. The price of Compound detached itself from the price of Bitcoin as a result of the news around its cryptocurrency, its inclusion in Robinhood. This is a free commercial platform that offers its users the possibility of investing in company assets as well as contract options. On April 12th, it announced on its blog that 4 new crypto assets are available on its platform, Compound being one of them. Compound is a DeFi lending protocol that allows its users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency by depositing them into one of the various pools supported by the platform. Compound's positions are monetized with a native token called C tokens. These are ERC20 tokens that represent the right to a portion of an asset's reserve. When a user deposits tokens in a Compound pool, it receives C tokens in exchange. A clear example of this is that of Ethereum, that when deposited into a pool, CETHs are received in return. Borrowers can take a secured loan from any Compound pool by posting collateral. The protocol imposes a collateralization factor for all assets backed by the platform, which ensures that each pool is over-collateralized at all times. If the guarantee falls below the minimum maintenance level, liquidators would be sold by a 5% discount, paying part of the loan and returning the rest at a reasonable guarantee rate. This agreement helps ensure that all borrowers maintain their collateral levels, provides a safety net for lenders, and creates income opportunities for liquidators. In short, Compound managed to detach itself from Bitcoin's price last week, heading toward the upside and reverting the downward trend seen since the end of January. Its inclusion in the commercial platform Robinhood has been a key contributor to this movement, but we'll have to keep a close eye on this token to see if it goes back to following in Bitcoin's footsteps or whether it continues to go against the rest of the market. We'll keep you informed here on Nebulous.